The beauty of flowers impresses everyone. There is hardly anyone who doesn't like flowers. The flower that I am going to start painting today is called Magnolia. Magnolia grandiflora, its stately form, glossy leaves, and elegant flowers make it beautiful. This video will be very helpful for the beginners. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you are visiting for the first time. Catch me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's make a memorable journey together. I have already done my drawing on my newsprint sheet. Put the image under the fabric and draw it with the pencil. Start to applying transparent gutta on the drawing lines. Hold the gutta properly in the hand when you will start to apply the gutta on the fabric. Follow the drawing lines carefully and avoid the breaks in the gutta outline. Your color will spread out if there is any break in your gutta outline. After applying the transparent gutta, leave it to dry. Apply the water in the background and start to apply the color. I chose peach color for the background. Background is very important part of silk painting. Choice of right color for the background enhance the beauty of your painting. Select the right color tone or color shade for the background according to the design. I am applying yellow color in the leaves. Then I will apply the different shades of green in the leaves. Make the veins of the leaves with transparent gutta when the leaves are dry. Apply the water in the leaves when gutta dries, and paint the leaves again with green or dark green. Paint the flower buds with light pink and shading with the shocking pink and dark brown. Now apply the water in the flowers and paint all the flowers with the pink, light brown, shocking pink, yellow, and light peach. It is very important to shading the flowers according to their shapes of petals and their directions. The right choice of colors not only makes the flower look beautiful but also highlights its original shape. Blending of two colors is difficult in silk painting, but when your fabric is wet, that time you can easily blend the colors on the surface of the fabric. Paint the carpels and stamens of the flower with yellow, yellow ochre, and brown. Use small round brush for this effect. Paint the rest of the flowers according to the shapes of petals of the flowers and give the little darks in the depths of the flower's petals. I have done my painting now. Remove the fabric from the wooden frame. Iron the fabric from the both sides for 5 to 7 minutes. If you have used transparent gutta, dip the fabric in the water for 5 to 7 minutes after ironing. After 5 minutes, take out the fabric from water and let it dry, and iron the fabric again when it dries. Now you can see my silk painting art piece is ready. I hope you like my video. If you have any question or you want to share your opinion, please write in the comment box. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel before you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.